Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. My name is Connor. So right now, Bitcoin is making new all-time high after new all-time high. It hit $89,600 today, and this is the bull market that we've been expecting here at Crypto Empire for quite a long time. It's happening in real time right now. So in this video, I'll be going over some altcoins that I see doing really well this cycle. Let's get into the video. So Bitcoin is currently trading for $88,000 and the total crypto market cap is 3.1 trillion, which is the top of the total crypto market cap from 2021. We're at that level now at the beginning of this phase of the bull run, which is extremely exciting. And I think there's a ton of upside here for a lot of really good projects. Now, meme coins are obviously all the craze this cycle. However, meme coins do carry inherent risk. Look, I own meme coins. I talk about meme coins a lot on the channel, but as an example, today the Giga coin, somebody sold $2 million of this coin and caused it to drop. As we can see, in the matter of a very short amount of time, it dropped 85%. It's since reclaimed that wick, but you have to understand, with all of these meme coins that are at 500 million market cap, 1 billion market cap, or even higher, there's holders that are up 100x to 1000x, and if they decide to exit and if they decide to sell, the charts could be completely wrecked. All right, so in this video, I want to go over, by the way, I don't think Giga is going to completely implode here. I'll say that right now. I'm just using it as an example. Understand, with all of these meme coins in the hundreds of millions of market cap, people are up hundreds of X's or thousands of X's. If they want to take profit and rotate into something else, they will wreck the chart. All right, so that's why I believe it's a good idea to have some exposure to your fundamental coins as well, which is why in this video, I'll be focusing on specifically fundamental coins. Everything is a meme, we know that. However, these coins do still have use cases and there's different theses behind them. So anyways, let's get into this video. All right, so coin number one that I think is a very solid hold for any portfolio, no matter the size, is BitTensor Tau. Surprise, surprise, right? I'm sure you've heard me talk about this coin a lot because I do. I own it. I'm bullish on it. And I think it's one of the best, if not the best, AI coin in the crypto market. Right now it's at $617 at a $4.5 billion market cap valuation. All right, so Tau, go watch my other videos if you want to learn more about the fundamentals and how it works. Right now we're just going to go ahead and look at this price chart. So in terms of this Tau price chart, there's a few things to note. The main thing is that it has reclaimed a very important level after the election. Over here on the 3rd and 4th of November, the price dropped to $400 and it tested the daily 200 EMA after being as high as $681 just less than a month prior. The all-time high is up here at 777. Now, again, very bullish range reclaim here. Nice little deviation to the downside reclaim. You're now at the resistance level up here at around $600 up to around $675. I do personally expect this to break and come up here to the all-time high levels. Again, $750 plus. And I just expect this to break out and go into price discovery, much like Bitcoin is right now. All right, Tau, best in class AI in my opinion. Very solid hold and has a ton of upside from here. All right, so if you don't want to risk it all on memes, or if you don't want to risk everything, I think it's a good idea to have some meme coin exposure. I have meme coin exposure, but I also have a lot of solid fundamental coin exposure as well. Tau is certainly one of them. All right, so Tau, look into it if you don't know about it already. I see AI being a huge speculation bubble in 2025, and this one is likely on track to perform the best, as it's already been a top performer in AI for over 1 year now straight. All right, so that's coin number one. Now, coin number two for the video, I think it's a good idea to have some exposure to the Base ecosystem as well. All right, and Base is a meme coin chain for sure, but there's a few fundamental coins listed on the Base network. All right, and the largest market cap one is going to be Aerodrome Finance. $1 billion market cap, just below it right now, trading for $1.47. This is one of the main decentralized exchanges on the Base network. All right, it is backed by the big boys such as Coinbase. You can see it's listed on Coinbase. So big money back in this project. It's number 100 in market cap currently. Now, if we look at this arrow chart, it is quite an interesting chart. So you see my sketches already on it, essentially insinuating that it's been putting in higher highs and higher lows. Here's a higher low, here's a higher high, here's a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is in a strong uptrend currently, and it's about to break a major resistance level up here at $1.50. It has been trading in a range since late September. It broke out of this range this weekend on Saturday, and here it's just retesting the breakout. All right, so look for Aerodrome to continue its ascent upwards here, and this is a, again, sideways range, breakout higher, bull market things. Here's your range high supply level. You're retesting it as support now. Look for this to continue its trend upwards and to the all-time high up here towards $2.30 and beyond. Also on base, there's another main DeFi play, and that is Moonwell and the Well token. So Moonwell is smaller than Aerodrome, 294 rank in market cap, $243 million valuation here. Fully diluted is 411 mil. Again, it's listed on Coinbase. This was actually created from Coinbase employees. All right, so Moonwell has been a top performer, and I do expect this trend to continue. Now, again, another very interesting chart here on Well. If we bump this out to the daily time frame, this has been in a parabolic uptrend since it bottomed out in August of this year. And from this bottom, it put in a high of 950%, essentially a 10x from the bottom in around 71 days. So just over 2 months, it went up 10x. It is now in a bull flag up here above the all-time high. It's essentially using the previous all-time high that it made in March as support, and it's putting in a bullish flag consolidation up here. So what do I expect? I personally do expect this parabolic trend to continue, and I'm looking forward to break out of this bull flag. By the time this video is posted, it could have already broken out. Maybe it wants to hang out here some more, but another one I see breaking out higher on the base network that is Moonwell, and chart looks great. Project is solid. It looks ready to send higher. Remember, we're in a bull market, guys. It's not going to wait for you. When it decides to pump, it's going to leave anybody waiting in the dust, which is why the main thing is to have exposure to coins you're bullish on. All right. So yeah, check out Moonwell, Arrow as well on base, fundamental plays. There's obviously a ton of meme coins on base, but like I said, we're sticking to fundamental coins in this video. Let's go ahead and move on to the next coin, and that is going to be ALPH Alephium. All right, this one is a layer 1 proof of work blockchain. Currently, they do have an ERC token trading as a placeholder. So yeah, you can buy this on Ethereum. It's also listed on some centralized exchanges, MEXC, Bitget, Gate.io, or just Uniswap is the easiest way, decentralized. Now, the market cap of Alephium is $117 million. All right, I'm not going to talk about the fundamentals too much in this video, but just know it's a solid fundamental layer 1 proof of work blockchain. Don't believe me? Well, look into it yourself and you'll see what I'm talking about. Let's look at the chart for ALPH. And there's a reason I'm talking about it right now in this video. So ALPH, it topped out over here in February at $3.85. This thing was trading for pennies on the dollar in 2023. As we can see in the weekly time frame, down here, January 16th or January 9th, 2023, it was at its low at 4.6 cents. It put in an 8,000% move. All right, so an 80x from that bottom. From that bottom, it has pulled back, as we can see. It's pulled back to the lows, 75%, and to current price, it's down 65% from that all-time high, trading at $1.33. Now, it's quite simple what I'm seeing here. If we look on the daily time frame, well, I did put a parallel channel on the chart, but the main thing I want us to look at here is this pattern that it's forming. All right, again, it drops 75% from that all-time high. Huge leg down. Very aggressive pump from the $1 level. From that point, it put in a M pattern or a double top, and it put in a double bottom down here. All right, so this is actually a very, very bullish pattern. All the Elliott wave chartists know what I'm talking about. We can pull up the fib from this swing high to the swing low, and it bottomed out over here at $1.10 right at the 88.6 Fibonacci retracement. This is quite bullish. All right, beautiful. This is textbook. This is as textbook as it gets. So what do I expect? Well, it already broke the neckline of the W double bottom, and it's now retesting this neckline. We'll go and zoom this in so everyone can see it. Again, here's your neckline, broke out, it's retesting. What am I expecting? I just drew it. I'm expecting it to pump out and go higher from here. This thing looks ready to go. It just broke the neckline of the double bottom. Don't fade this. All right, it's quite simple. And also you can see the parallel channel. Price is currently sitting directly on the midline of that parallel channel. These are often used as support and resistance levels. It's right on it right now. All right, so ALPH at $1.33, $1.32. It looks great to me. All right, so look into this one. If you don't want to ape into memes, you want some fundamental exposure, check it out. Let's go ahead and move on to the last coin of this video, and that's going to be Cubic. So Cubic right now trading for $1,586 per billion at a $188 million market cap. Now Cubic gets a lot of FUD, mainly from a few people, a few select people in the Caspa community. They've dedicated their lives to writing FUD posts on Cubic every day, basically. All right, so I have honestly just been laughing at those people, and they may be right, I may be wrong. Cubic may end up failing, but I personally have conviction that this project will do quite well. All right, why is that? Go watch my other videos on Cubic. Again, we're not going to be covering fundamentals in this video. I've made specific videos on Cubic, so if you want to learn, go watch those. Cubic has been trading on safe.trade, the safe trade exchange, much longer than Gate.io or Bitget, but we'll use the Gate.io chart in this video. All right, so Cubic has been lagging compared to many alts. However, I'm really not too concerned about the price action. So a lot of people were panicking when Cubic broke this support last week on Thursday. They were like, oh my God, it broke the level. We got a panic sell. Well, another classic range low deviation leading to a reclaim that happened today. All right, nice candle on the day. From high to low, this was 42% to the daily close, a 26% move. So this is a bullish range low reclaim. We see this pattern play out all the time, especially in bull markets, because the market maker's job is to manipulate you out of your position. If you don't understand that, you're going to sell the bottom. It's how noobs get wrecked every single bull market. All right, so I held strong. I held steadfast in my conviction down here through this dump. I said it would reclaim the range. It has reclaimed the range. I'm now looking forward to make a higher high past this level over here at 2,500 per billion. All right, I do not want to see this be some kind of pump and then just kind of fizzle out again. I want to see this actually sustain and put in a higher high here on Cubic. I think it can. I think it will. All right, and this is an AI coin as well. They have a huge kind of release soon on both their white paper, and then in December they're going to be updating and releasing some information about AI Garth and artificial neural networks. So some good fundamental stuff on the project timeline for Cubic, and I see it right now. I see this chart sitting at the lows, ready to explode off of the bottom, and I'm here to see what happens. Will I be right? Will I be wrong? I own this coin and I want to see it do well, of course. But yeah, I'm very interested to see how it plays out. I'm bullish on Cubic, never lost conviction. Check it out, do your own research. But yeah, I'm bullish on it. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bitcoin going into price discovery, $100,000 is next. And everyone who didn't believe is now FOMOing in to buy these assets. And especially Bitcoin, right? People are FOMOing into Bitcoin right now. Money will trickle down into altcoins, and I'm expecting an explosive altcoin season, and I expect these picks to do quite well. Hope you enjoyed this video. So in this video, I went over a few fundamentally solid altcoins. I put that in quotations because everything is looked at as a meme coin in the crypto market at this moment in time, but you guys know what I'm saying. Fundamental alts that I see doing quite well this cycle. Hope you enjoyed it. Smash that like button if you did enjoy the video. If you're new to Crypto Empire and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.